तथा श्रीमद्भागवत गीता Vaishnavānaṁ yatha Sambhu, there are many Vaishnavas. But Shivji is the topmost Vaishnava. You understand? You cannot compare with other Vaishnavas with Shivji. So Shivji is Vaishnava. Topmost Vaishnava. So Vaishnavānaṁ yatha Sambhu. In Rudra Sampradayas, first to do the four Vaishnava Sampradayas. Then Sri, Brahma, Rudra and Origin Acharya Lakshmi Devi. Sri Sampradayas, who translate come here, otherwise for again and again can you speak without mic. Who translate very close. Others can do her, no problem. Otherwise you cannot listen. Sri Sampradayas, origin Acharya, Guru, that is called Lakshmi Devi. Sri Brahma Sampradayas, origin Acharya, that is called Brahma. Rudra Sampradayas, origin Acharya, Guru, that is called Lord Shiva. Or Sanak Sampradayas, origin Acharya, that is called four Kumaras. Sanak, Sanandan, Sanatan and Sanat Kumar. So, Rudra Sampradayas, origin Acharya, Lord Shiv himself. Shiv ji also his Guru. Guru also. So now coming in this way, just I yesterday told that the story about the association of, about the glories of the association of Sadhu, Sadhu Sangha Mahima. And Sadhu Sangha Mahima, the bamboo bee, the dumb beetle is the personification of conditional soul. Black bee is the personification of Sadhu. No. Bamboo is the personification of Sadhu. So Sadhu brings to Guru. Sadhu's duty is there, how to bring to the conditional soul to Guru. So yesterday, who is Guru? Shivji. Shivji is Guru, Rudra Sampradaya is Guru also. And Vaishnava also. So then the dumb beetle, he got association of Sadhu, and then he also got association with Guru Shivji. Then coming the association Sadhu Gurus, then Bhakti Devi manifests in his heart. That Bhakti I also told, that is called water of the Ganges. So that when the dumb beetle he touched the water of the Ganges, that means when he took Bhakti Devi, then he liberated. So Sadhu Kripa, Guru Kripa, then you will receive the Bhakti Devi. So for this regard, we give this example. How is the powerful the association of Sadhu? Sadhu Sangha. So this example has given. Because everybody very prominent to know about Shivji. And everybody know about Shiva or not? Everybody, whole world, everybody knows Shiva.
We seldom
Huh?
talk about Shiva.
Huh?
We
Seldom talk about Shiva. It's because in our Sangha always saying Radha Krishna.
No, no, no. Gurudev, one book you read. What is your name? Narayana Goswami Maharaj book, Shiva Tattva.
I
Shiva
remember
ka
the
Janne.
dancing.
Yeah. Sanatana Goswami Pad discussed about Bhagavatamrita, about the glories of Shiva.
神呢個 Swami 佢有講到Shiva 之嘅一
係
個濕婆神嘅榮
Even
耀啦，
Srimad Bhagavatam, many places glorified about Shiva.
包括博加亞塔邊嘅詩篇都有榮耀 Shiva 啦。
This is the thing. Even in Ramayana also many places glorified about Shiva. Ramayana.
Ramayana 呢本書呢個
Ramayana glorifies about many
都
Shiva
有
Tattva.
講好多關於濕婆神嘅榮耀。
So Shivji, Mahadev, Shivji,
Shiva 之
he is very prominent.
Mahadeva 係非常之重要。
Understand? Even Narad, Mahadev glorification about Manjari's bhav, mood in there also.
喺 Shiva 嘅詩入邊都有 Manjari 嗰啲心水。
That is also discussed about what is called Sanak Sanghita.
神一成
Sanak Sanghita glorifies and about how the gopis, Manjari, they also serve to Srimati Radhika. And that they discuss about Sadasiv and what is his name? And Sadasiv and Brinda Devi. Sadasiv, Brinda Devi, this is discussion.
呢個講到係點樣去有講到
You read
係點樣服務啦啦。
Bhajan Rahasya Grantha. Bhajan Rahasya Grantha.
Raja Rasagandha
Bhakti Vinod Thakur also glorified these things.
嗰啲面佢都有講到呢樣嘢，榮耀呢樣嘢。
Yes. This is good. And then that is also discussed about the meditation, your spiritual form.
即係要冥想呢個超靈
啊
性嘅一個形態。
So Shivji is not ordinary. Sadasiv Tattva.
Shiva 係唔
啊
係普通人？
Sadasiv Tattva, that is called Vishnu Tattva also.
因為 Vishnu 即係同 Vishnu 係一樣
啊
一樣。Vishnu
If you want to know your own transcendental constitution form,
如果你想知道我哋永恆超然嘅
啊
身份，
you have to read Bhajan Rahasya Grantha. You have Bhajan Rahasya Grantha? Gurudev also explained. There Bhajan Rahasya Grantha explaining. Yes, book. Bhajan Rahasya Bhakti Vinod Thakur.
係不希望有塔古寫嘅。
Hindi, English also there.
有英
Yeah. Understand? Have to translate English to Chinese.
要將英文翻譯
Because many things you are not the
Chinese。
discussing.
入邊有好多嘢都會。
So you are not advanced. You read, you have to translate. You have to translate your language, then you read, then advance your bhajan and sadhana.
我哋要讀呢啲經典啦，我哋要
啊
識睇英文。
Gurudev Sri Narayana Goswami Maharaj, he gave everything, all his books. So I request also, always translate Gurudev Narayana Goswami Maharaj book, English book,
我哋
Bhajan Rahasya this Grantha.
我哋要翻去估呢啲書俾。
Otherwise, how do you know that? That is called Atma Dhyan, meditation about your soul, Atma Dhyan.
我哋要冥想心中嘅超靈。
Otherwise, many people also coming and what is called, disturb your mind. Oh, you are Brahma, you are that things.
修經文
啊
我哋有啊。Yes, we have
this book.
senior devotees. Senior
What is your
devotees.
name?
In Jordan Temple, yeah, Nanda those Prabhu, those Didi have already translated in Chinese already.
Or the Bhajan Rahasya Grantha?
Yes.
Yeah, you read. Tasang madhe manorama nana alankara vibhusita. This is the Atma Dhyan is there. So this actually is talking about Sadasiv and Brindadevi.
Not even
So Shivji is not ordinary person.
佢唔係普通人
啊
啊。
Yeah, even Sanatana Goswami Pad, when he did bhajan and sadhana in Vrindavan,
神啦，呢個 Swami 咧喺溫達文修
he
習，
every day used to meet with Gopeshwar Mahadev.
佢每日 係都會見到高披薩
Eh?
地方。
You know this katha? Sanatana Goswami Pad, he performed bhajan and sadhan in what is it called? In Vrindavan.
神喺個 floor 面
And
温達文收集嘅時候，
that is called Madan Mohan Khera. Madan Mohan.
馬德摩亨
Yeah.
呢個地方。
But every day Sanatana Goswami used to come to meet with Mahadev in nearby Rasasthali. That is called Shiv, Gopeshwara Mahadev.
佢哋要去去見書呢個王叔良嗰個形象嘅書法嘅。
Actually, where Sanatana, even Sanatana Goswami Pad, when he was staying in Govardhan, Giriraj Govardhan,
當佢喺
also there Chakreshwar Mahadev is there.
嗰個都有馬地邊嘅嗰個
Eh?
形象啦。
Vrindavan, that is called Gopeshwar Mahadev. In Govardhan, that is called Chakreshwar Mahadev. Mahadev is very important in our Vaishnava Sampradaya.
所以咧書法喺我哋嘅傳統入邊都好重要。
Understand? You never dishonor to Lord Shiva. Even in Kali Yuga, same Lord Shiva, he appeared in the form of Shankaracharya. Jayavardhana, first chapter. Shankaracharya, who preached impartialism. Shankaracharya.
咁佢就話喺卡利年代裏邊嚟講咧，新
Shankara Shankara Sakshat. Shankaracharya is the direct the manifestation of Shankar. So Shankara Shankara Sakshat.
就係以一個叫做生卡啦，呢幾個字咧都係有關聯嘅。
Without this mercy of Shiva,
如果
any
冇
method,
咗書法嘅人士
Bhakti
嘅
Devi
話
will not
咁
manifest
我
in
哋
our
嘅
heart.
奉愛就唔會去滋養。
We always give respect to Lord Shiva.
所以咧，我哋要恒常咁
Eh.
去尊敬
Sattam
書法
Shivam Sundaram. Truth is beauty, beauty is truth. Understand? Sattam Shivam Sundaram. Truth is beauty, beauty is truth.
Truth,
Truth. What is the absolute truth, Lord Bhagavan?
beauty is truth.
Beauty is truth. So truth is beauty, or beauty is truth. Both are. So saying this.
真係美啦，真係。
So this proverb is saying Sattam Shivam Sundaram. What is the Satta? Satta means absolutely truth.
真理。
失敗嘅意思就係絕對
Who is the
嘅真理
absolutely truth? That is called Lord Himself, Krishna.
邊一位係有
Sattang
絕對嘅真理
Parang
咧，就係講佢嘅
Dhimahi.
主啦。
Sattang Parang Dhimani. I meditate the absolute truth, Lord Krishna.
咁我哋就要去冥想嗰位至尊嘅人格啦，就係主 Krishna。
So for this regard, Shivji always he is meditating. You have seen
就
that
係成日
Dhanas.
就喺度冥想緊。
You have seen the Shivji, his close his eyes and meditate to Lord.
大家有冇見過啊？主書法咧，佢就係眯埋對眼啦，就喺度冥想緊。
And Shivji never he say, I am Bhagavan, I am the servant of Bhagavan.
書法咧，佢永遠都唔會講我係至尊主啊，我只會係至尊主
Because
嘅僕人。
Shivji, he is called the servant of Lord Vishnu.
因為咧，佢只會係咧視為係
And he is
主
Vaishnava.
Vishnu 嘅奉獻者，佢亦都係愛是立亞啦，即係
Very
Vaishnava。
So always give respect to Shivji. Shiva.
咁我哋咧要恒常咧地
For this regard, we also celebrate Shiv Chaturdashi. Shiva Chaturdashi must celebrate or not? And you have to give respect to Gopeshwar Mahadev. Without the mercy of Mahadev, Gopeshwar Mahadev, you cannot enter in Krishna's Ras dance. Ras.
咁咧，佢話咧，我哋咧要去恒常咁去尊敬書法啦。咁同埋咧，特別佢有個形象咧，就係木牛姑娘嗰個形象啦，就叫高披沙哈馬哈地啦。咁佢話有兩個地方嘅，第一個地方咧就係 Vrindavan 嘅高披沙哈馬哈地，第二個咧就係 Giriraj 叫做 Chakcha 高披沙哈馬哈地。
And always do pranam to Mahadev as Gopeshwar Mahadev.
咁特別咧，我哋都要成日都記得頂拜嗰個
That is
嘅
the mantra. What is the name? What is the meaning? What is the mantra?
就係木牛高蘭嗰
इसको
位，
फुल प्रिंट बोलो बोलो
因為咧佢就
वृंदावना वनिपति सोम सोम मौली सनत सनातन नारद इड्ड गोपीश्वर ब्रजविलासिनी जुगांग्री पद में लास्ट प्रेम प्रजच्छति तं say नमो नमस्ते. Every day learn this sloka. You can see Giti Guccha book. I did the Giti Guccha book. Sada the Shivji Pranam Mantra is there. Gopeshwar Mahadev Pranam Mantra.
咁呢一個咧就係獅子咧，就係講翻嗰啲雙下媽媽地講佢嘅獅子。
Vrindavana Banipati Soma Soma Maule. So you have every day do pranam to Gopeshwar Mahadev.
咁我哋每一日咧都可以去念誦呢啲嘅詩詞啦，俾呢一個書法嘅形象就係木牛姑娘嗰邊雙下尾。
Only you say I am become the medicine Srimati Radhika not possible.
如果我哋冇得到咧主嘅人士嘅話，其實我哋好難。
If you want to the maid servant of Srimati Radha Dasi, you have to give respect to Lord Shiva.
如果我哋
Gopeshwar
想
Mahadev.
成為小女僕嘅話啦，摩德多時嘅話，摩德巴尼嘅其中嘅一位，咁我哋一定要得到書法全個人士。
In the West Sea also, in our the temple, most of the temple also there, Gopeshwar Mahadev is there. Delhi temple,
大部分嘅廟宇咧，
you went to Delhi temple or not?
你哋有冇去過？
You?
我記得你個廟宇
You
啦。
did not go Delhi?
咁有
Delhi
一個
Mount?
高比上下馬下地。
Raman Bihari Gaudiya Math, Delhi?
You bring us. You
Huh?
bring us. You bring us.
You never been there?
No, just only Vrindavan, Mayapur, Puri, Rishikesh.
Okay.
Yes. Oh, next time Ayodhya, you bring
Ah.
us.
Gopeshwar Mahadev. They are also established also Gopeshwar Mahadev.
Oh, in Delhi
In
temple.
Delhi temple nearby there. Yeah?
咁係話喺德里嗰度咧，就
Shivji
有一
there.
個
Ah,
咧
written in
書
there.
法嘅高比上下馬下地木牛姑娘嗰個嘅形象。
Yeah. If you go Govardhan, Giriraj Govardhan, they are also the Shivji, that is called Chakreshwar Mahadev.
咁佢就講到咧，高佛丹咧都有一個書法嘅形象叫出嚟。
Right? Even you go Jagannath Puri, have you been Jagannath Puri?
Yes.
Jagannath Puri, there are Loknath Mahadev is there also.
咁佢話咧，碌下馬下地
啊
喺福建嗰度。
Huh? You went or not?
No, I think we
I think Loknath Mahadev maybe Vaishnavas not allowed.
not allow，我哋唔可以 not allow，我哋唔得嘅。
But in Vrindavan, if Vrindavan you go, the Gopeshwar Mahadev everybody can go.
But Mayapur we have right? We have
Mayapur,
we have Mayapur.
Navadvip also there is Shivji is there.
哦，拉巴啲都有嘅。
Mayapur
書法師
You go there.
Oh,
Every,
is it near Guday Temple, Keshafa?
huh?
Is it near to Guday's Temple or
Where? Mayapur? No, Navadvip.
Navadip?
Navadvip little bit, not so far, only 10-15 minutes by rickshaw you can go. Shivji is very important.
佢話咧，書法咧係非常之重
啊
要啊。
So don't disrespect Lord Shiva.
佢話唔好唔尊敬書法，
Mahadev.
因為佢就係叫做 Mahadev 嗰位。
Lord Mahadev is very simple.
佢話煮書法
Just to
係好
take
簡單嘅。
One, what you call, bell understand?
哦，佢就會食一啲嗰啲咩葉
Bell leaves and what are the Ganges?
跟住
Water,
就點
then
一
Shivji
啲
will be
河
happy.
水就搞掂啦。好簡單嘅咁。So one day just only bear leaf and 跟個 water touch.
Lord Ji, Lord Shiva will very pleased.
哦，佢話咧，如果咧我哋咧能夠有少少嘢去俾佢啦，即係可能水啊或者對葉啊俾佢，佢就已經好開心啦。
Who read Srimad Bhagavatam? Shiv Mahima is there also. They are the glories of Lord Shiva.
超媽兒
Shiva Mahima, the glories of Lord Shiva.
Shiva
Okay. Huh?
It is not Oh yes.
Huh?
So you stay.
Question?
What happened?
Question?
No, no, what happened?
Oh,
Is delayed flight?
oh
Flight
no
is
no no, because
no,
the
delay.
flight is not arrival yet, so it did not show the gate. The gate number haven't shown
Maybe
yet.
10 minutes. Oh, question.
Question. 1 minute.
10 minutes. 10
They
minutes.
ask a prayer from Shiva to pray for Radharani's sidelong glances. Can you tell us
Huh?
more about it?
Yeah, Lord Shiva, actually we are the Radha Kripa Kataksha. The Manindra Vinda Vandite Tilaka Shoka Harini Prasanna Bhaktra Pankaje Nukunja Bhubi Lasini Brajendra Bhanu Nandini Brajendra Sunu Sangate Kadakari Sasyamang Kripa Kataksha Vajan. So this is the glorification of Srimati Radhika. But how will get this? There is one of the sidelong glance of Srimati Radhika.
咁但係我哋點樣？
When we receive the mercy of Lord Shiva also, which Shiva? That is called Sadashiv or Gopeshwar Mahadev. Gopeshwar Mahadev है very sweet.
即係好甜美啦，尤其是呢個 Gopeshwar Mahadev 呢個形象啦，
嗯
佢嘅仁慈啦，我哋
Once Mahadev, Shivji, he told to Purnamasi Devi,
有一次咧，Mahadev 咧，佢就去同 Purnamasi 去講
yeah,
喎。
I want to enter in the rush dance of Krishna.
我想啊，去進入啊拿山之舞啊嗰度啊。
Then Purnamasi Devi told, oh, you cannot go because you are male person.
跟住 Purnamasi 啦係一個瑜伽魔嘢啦，佢守護住呢一個
And
嘅
because
拿山之舞門啦。佢話因為
If
你係男人身
anyone
啊，
to enter in Krishna's Gopi's rush dance,
如果你想啊去進入 Krishna 呢個拿山之
need
舞啊，
female form.
你一定要一個女士嘅形象啊。
And, but Shivji told, I want to enter the rush dance with the Gopis. I can see just.
佢話咁點解我要咁樣入去嘅話，
Then Purnamasi Devi took Shivji,
毒
and dropped
然後
dropped in the water of Brahmakunda.
Shiva 咧，佢就話：我真係好想入去啊！跟住咧 Purnamasi 咧就捉咗佢啦，就掉咗落去一個湖嗰度。
Then Shivji manifest in the form of one nice gopi.
跟住咧，佢就喺個湖嗰度出翻出嚟啦，
Huh?
就變成一個好靚嘅木牛姑
Then
娘。
Purnamasi told, okay, you can now sit in this place of rush dance that is called Bangsi Bhat.
咁跟住咧，佢就話冇問題啦，出咗嚟好靚女，你入去啦，你就可以入去睇呢個跳舞嗰
now-
個嘅地方。
Now
叫
Shivji
賓斯啦
disguised. Now Shivji is the form of one gopi.
跟住咧
and
Shiva 咧
sitting
佢
one
就變
corner
成一個好靚
and
嘅木牛姑
north
娘嚟，有一
and
個名
east
字，佢
corner
就坐咗一邊。Eastern 啊
North, east,
Direction.
that.
Northeast
between
in between he walk through。
in between north and east, in the middle of that direction.
佢話一個向north east 嘅方向就坐低。
When Krishna played the flute, all gopis came.
跟住咧 Krishna 咧就吹下佢笛子聲啦，所有木牛姑娘都嚟到喎。
Then Krishna told, today my mind is little bit upset,
跟住
not
佢
overjoyed.
吹咗啲嘅笛子之後咧，木牛姑娘嚟到啦。跟住佢就同啲木牛姑娘講就話：啊，我今日個麥咧唔係咁，
So
我
gopis
個
they
心意
asked,
唔係咁好。
gopis they
我
asked
心
to
意唔係
Krishna,
咁
why
開
your
心
mind is not overjoyed? What
跟
happened?
住咧，有木牛姑娘就話啦：點解你個心意唔係咁
Then Krishna
平
told,
時同一樣嘅？
in this Bangsi Bhat, here maybe some unqualified person is there.
跟住 Krishna 就話啦：喺呢個 Varanasi Bath 呢一度咧，佢就我發現啊，好似咧有啲唔合資格嘅人喺度喎。
Yeah? And gopis they go, okay, we can search who is the unqualified person is
跟住
here.
啲木牛姑娘就話：OK，冇問題，我哋去揾下究竟有邊一個唔合資格喺度。
So all the gopis, Radha, Lalita, Visakha, and all the gopis they are searching who is here unqualified gopi.
跟住咧嗰啲木牛姑娘啦，分別係 Lalita、Vishaka 啦，同埋其他嘅木牛姑娘，佢哋就不停咁去四散喺度揾下邊個唔合資格喺呢一個Basha Cave 呢一個位嗰度。
Then they saw and one young lady, she is sitting and on the corner of that place, Rasastali.
跟住咧，佢哋就喺度揾啦，就揾到一個女仔，就喺嗰個甩口嗰度嘅拿沙之母嗰度啦。
Then Gopi they asked, hey, who are you? What is your name?
跟住嗰啲木牛姑娘就話：喂，你叫咩名
Then
啊？
she did not give any answer.
跟住佢又答唔到喎。
Who is your husband?
你啊，老公係邊個啊？
誒
你個老公喺邊度啊？
You come from where? Have you
你
come
喺邊
from?
度嚟㗎？你喺邊度嚟㗎？
Many questions. That time Shivji did not give answer.
跟住書花豬咧嗰陣時扮成一個
That time
木偶姑
Gopi
娘
they
佢答唔到
realized, oh, she is unqualified person.
跟住咧嗰陣時咧，木偶姑娘
Then
就
they
知道你唔
bitterly
合
beat
格
to
啦
him with
跟住就不停
the.
咁 beat 佢啊，打佢啊。
Then Shivji was crying and crying.
跟住書花豬咧就不停
Then
咁鬧
Purnamasi Devi appeared.
跟住咧潘多媽時啦，
Purnamasi
係
Devi
而家呢個首領
told,
就嚟
hey,
到
Gopi,
呢度
don't beat to
啦。
him.
木偶姑娘，你哋唔好打佢啦，唔好
Actually,
打佢啦。
he is Mahadev.
我想話翻俾你聽，
知唔知
佢就係主書法嚟㗎。
Just I put him in the water of the Brahmakunda. Now he got this Gopi body, but he did not know what is his name, what is Sarvidit.
其實咧就係我將書花豬咧，佢帶入去 Brahma Kund 啦，聖面神嗰個嘅湖嗰度啦，出翻出嚟變成一個女性嘅形象㗎。其實佢乜嘢都唔識㗎。
Then Purnamasi Devi brought to Shivji in front of Krishna.
跟住咧潘多媽時啦，咁呢一個木偶姑娘之手咧，佢就將個書花豬咧就帶到嚟 Krishna
Then-
面前。
Then Krishna told, hey Shivji, listen,
跟住咧佢就同
without taking birth from the womb of Gopi and Gopi's body, no one can enter in my residence.
Krishna 咧就同 Shiva 講啦，佢就話咧，其實咧你冇透過母胎咁樣生出嚟咧，就係、成為一個女性咧，跟住去變成一個木偶姑娘，你其實係冇
If
資格
you
入嚟華沙
that
之
means
母。
that means if you want to enter in the residence of Krishna with gopis,
咁嘅意思就係話，如果你想好似嗰啲木偶姑娘進入呢個拿沙之母，
there are some rules are there.
其實咧係有一啲嘅規條㗎。
First, you have to take birth in Braj,
首先咧，你一定要投身
in
啦
the
喺華
womb
山
of the
居
Braj
民啦，
gopis,
同埋咧特別係嗰啲木偶姑娘嘅母胎
and
嗰
you
度生出
associate
嚟
with the
啦。
gopis,
跟住同埋同呢一啲嘅
and
木
to
偶姑
learn
娘
many
聯誼啦。
and what is called activities,
跟住
dancing,
仲要同佢
singing.
哋咧去學啦、跳舞啊，
Then in
或者
Parabur
點樣
mood,
做啊。跟住同埋咧，亦都係
then you
同佢哋
can
一齊去玩啊。
enter in residence and meet with
咁你
Krishna.
先至可以有資格去嚟到呢啲拿沙之母啊。
But you did not take birth. You did not take birth in the womb of Gopi. Just if Gopi Sarir coming, this is not enough.
咁佢就話翻啦，佢話如果就係因為你冇喺嗰啲嘅木偶姑娘個母胎嗰度生出嚟啊，所以你係冇資格
So for
㗎。
this regard, Lord Krishna told, look, hey Mahadev, you are my pure devotee, Shuddha
跟住
Bhakta.
Krishna 佢就同佢講啦，佢話我知道啊，你就係
So
我
now
嘅純粹嘅奉獻者。
now I am giving one job to you, work.
我而家咧就俾一個任務你做。
You stay very close to this place that is called Rasastali, and one place that is called Gopeshwar Mahadev.
咁我俾個任務你做啦，你就要喺呢個 Rasa Stay 嗰度啦，跟住咧呢一個地方咧就叫做 Gopi Shaha。
Then Krishna told, if anybody want to enter in my place,
Krishna 就話啦，如果有人想進入我嘅地方，
he must take permission from you.
佢一定要得到你嘅允許。
So now Shivji is called Gopeshwar Mahadev and he is staying in there.
跟住咧，Shiva 而家呢一刻咧，佢就成為 Gopi Shaha
If you want to enter in the residence of
如果
Krishna,
大家想去進入
Rasastali,
Krishna 嘅拿山之母，
you must take permission from Shivji,
我哋
Gopeshwar
就一
Mahadev.
定要得到 Shivaji
That is
個
called
允許。
Gopeshwar Mahadev.
嗰個咧就係叫做 Gopi Shaha Mahadev。
And you chant this mantra.
同埋咧，我哋要去念誦佢嗰啲嘅詩節。
What is the mantra? Vrindavana Banipate, Somo Somo, this mantra. You chant, then Shivji, very pleased, then Shivji will give permission.
佢話：如果我哋去念誦呢啲咁嘅 好問嘅話咧，Shiva Ji 咧，佢就會得到取悅㗎啦。
This is the this. Now Shivji is called the security guard in there.
Security guard.
What does it do? 佢就而家就係
Gopishwar
係
Mahadev.
咁樣啦。佢就係
Without
叫
the
做 Gopi
without the permission of Lord Shiva,
如果冇得到佢嘅允許，
no one can enter
冇人
in
Rasa
Rasa
Lila
Lila.
冇人係可以進入到拿沙之舞。
So all Vaishnava are going, first taking darshan to Lord Shiva, worship to Lord Shiva, do pranam, and then taking the permission from Lord Shiva, then enter in and Vrindavan, that the Rasasthana.
佢話咧喺我哋嘅威沙華嘅傳系裏邊啦，咁我哋咧通常咧就會先去崇拜咗高皮沙哈瑪哈地嘅，得到佢嘅請示喺度搖拜啦，咁我哋先至可以進入Vrindavan。
Hello Vrindavan, yeah. Okay, now
We can bring your luggage. Then we can do maybe we walk and then walk to you to do the check-in custom, and then you might still is not show the gates. Maybe you go inside and
No,
check
you
the
go to
immigration.
inside.
Yeah, immigration and check-in for all
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
Yeah, we go this side.
Okay,
We go
okay.
this
Sorry.
side. I can tell. 我哋俾條路啊，Guru。